I need to find my English note card for my speech. Oh, gosh.
Can you not find it?
No, I don't see it anywhere.
Well, you should get an organized locker like this one. Has a cooler, 2 shelves, a phone, but it's an iPod to have a calendar, just like that. See, but you should get one. It's only $19.99, but
Wow, only $19.99? I'd pay that much just to find my note card. I'm Taylor Cobb with the internal locker cooler. And for $19.99, you can get your internal locker cooler to keep your water cold, or maybe even your lunch. And as an add-on, if you call now, you get your free tablet holder up here for your calendar and all your needs. Oh man, I still can't find it. I guess I'll have to take a 0. Oh.
I'm Reggie Mianza, and I approve this message.